My name is Mary. I'm learning here with LanguageMasters. I'm in B2 level, and I like learning here because it's really appropriate for each level, and we are learning in a fun way in a group of like 3 to 6 students, which is good for me, better than private lessons, and because I can meet people and I can talk with people. A friend told me about it, and I just gave it a try, and I liked the fact that again, it's a very family-friendly atmosphere, and we can have coffee and tea while talking to each other, and also the fact that they really cater to your needs, and they try to listen to what you want and to guide you through the process that you want to achieve. So in class we get to interact a lot with the teacher, we get to talk a lot. We're small groups, so which means that we can all talk one after the other. We also play some games together. It's 2 hours, very intense, but we are never bored. We always either do some grammatic or talk together or read some text, or it's always really the teacher cater to what you want. Like if the theme doesn't interest you, then we'll change and pick another one, and those lessons are really, for me, it's a highlight of the week. Going to the class every 2 days, because I'm doing an intensive program, is really good for me, and I can see my language developing quite quickly.